sustainability, what we expect, and how long will take this future to be on the field that we can really feel what is coming from your future?
So we've got an operational plan and we're scaling it up. And right away here, we're going to be at 5,000 pounds. So that's our initial piece. And that sort of pushes us to be a profitable company. Then after that, we have growth plan and we're going to continue to grow. And so then we'll be a piece of the market that's going to be helping with the growth and adding more of these precious metals into the supply chain. So what we see is we have a critical role to be able to take a part that's not currently being funneled through the supply chain and add that to the piece, which then will allow us to be able to work with OEMs to allow programs like their core programs where they can just completely have a new product right from the piece that we give them back.
Right. How long you think will take this approach for you guys to,
We're looking to be at 5,000 pounds this fourth quarter here. So, and then growth will depend on ensuring we have the right supply. But it's not a long term, not a far into the future from when we're going to be a fully operational.
So it's more in the medium term, something like that. Is this model something that you can put in different locations, or is something that you just have in your facility and you need to connect them?
We built our first one to be close to our supplier. So he's in Tennessee, and that's why we built there. But we'd anticipate building a second operations out on the West Coast and based on geography there. And it's a module system that we would be able to put up wherever in the world makes sense.
And because this is modular, it is possible to grow the system depending on the requirement.
Yeah. So we plan to do 4, but there's not reason that four is a limit. It's really what we supply sort of dictate what the optimal size of an operation is.
Right.
The reason we're doing modular is to make it more efficient in operation. If you do one thing that's just big tank, if one thing happens on a maintenance baseline, well, then the whole plant's done. But if you got modular, you've got multiple streams that you can keep running while you're doing maintenance on other pieces. And so your operational efficiency becomes much better.
Yeah, that makes sense, and it's very clever. And talking about byproducts, are you having any byproducts out of this process, or it's completely clean?
So once we have everything out, it's all benign and nothing there. There is a tailings, but that's really the silicon carbide substrate. And so our partner's looking at some industrial application for that, which he's hopeful that we'd be able to just